Obesity is a problem across America right now, and it's been a growing problem over the last few decades. And it's something that we're still struggling to get a handle on. What we've seen, and what we're continuing to see, is that in the Black community, we struggle with this especially. It's something that, as a result, it's killing us at a disproportionate rate. One of the scariest things about obesity is that it increases your likelihood of having what we call cardiovascular disease. That means heart attacks, strokes, and other events that can lead to death. What we know is that obesity is linked not just to these bad outcomes, but it also can affect other parts of our health. When you have a lot of fat buildup in your body, particularly what we call visceral fat, this is fat that builds up around the organs. It makes your body overall unhealthy. It increases the likelihood that you have diabetes and your really high blood sugar. It makes you more likely to have hypertension, high blood pressure, and also increases your cholesterol. Over time, this can lead your blood vessels to narrow and close off. They build up with what we call atherosclerosis, or plaque. And as they narrow and narrow, they don't get the blood and oxygen to the organs that need it. And if they get so bad, you can have kidney failure, you can have heart failure, heart attacks, strokes, and even die. Your blood sugar is supposed to stay at a certain level, and as your blood sugar gets higher and higher, it can start to damage different organs in your bodies and your blood vessels. There's a lot of changes that happen in your body that help to bring your blood sugar down to a normal level. One of them is insulin. Insulin gets released and helps to bring your blood sugar level down. But with people who are obese, they can develop what's called type 2 diabetes, where that insulin doesn't work as well. And over time, as it keeps not working as well, the blood sugar levels stay high, and they go higher and higher. And the higher they go, the more they cause damage to your organs, and those can cause long-term effects that may not be reversed. For people who are struggling with obesity and struggling with weight loss, the thing I'd say is it's something that we're all struggling with to some degree. And every person who I've seen lose the weight always had a hard time doing it. No one found it easy. No one found making these changes easy, and you're not alone in this. But in thinking about the next steps, don't try to do it all at once. 1 week at a time, 1 day at a time. Maybe it's the end of this week you want to lose a pound. Maybe it's the end of this week you want to lose half a pound. Maybe it's the end of this week you just want to change your diet, and next week you're going to think about bringing the weight down. Whatever it is, just small little chunks, and over time it'll happen.